now that we've refactored and made player an entity, let's go back to level and let's have player be the thing that the Wumpuses are chasing, and we can see how that's going to work. Cool. Time to debug. So it says null pointer exception, and it's happening right here. So it seems like entity is the thing that's null. So that means that maybe we're not setting entity anywhere. So let's go see where it is that we're setting entity. All right, so move towards entity, that's an input. So let's see who's calling that. So Wumpus move toward entity target. So where are we setting target? We're setting target here. So this dot target equals target. So that seems right. Entity equals target. So what that must mean is this is null for some reason. So let's go back to our Wumpus constructor. That was inside level. So add Wumpus, player. So where does this player come from is the next question. Player's up here. Is player set in the level constructor? The answer is no, and that seems terrible. So where does the player come from? Is there a set player method? Nope. Okay, this is a complete mystery. So let's attack it from the other side. Let's look inside. Well, it's private. So maybe that's the issue. Maybe we just never set the player anywhere. I'm going to try and see where's every single spot that player happens here. Player.tick, player.render, add player. Ah, so there is an adder method for player. Okay, so the question is who's running add player? That's probably happening inside game. Probably inside the init method of game. Well, let's just search for add player, actually. There it is. Aha, found it. So we don't actually add the player until after we're adding Wumpuses. So that's a little bit backwards. So let's do this. Right after we make the level, before we do anything else, I'm going to add the player, and then we'll add the other things. Great. Oh, they're so cute. Alright, so there they all are all chasing me. Oh, but they're like much faster than I am, so they've caught up with me quick. So let's actually change it so that I can run away from them. So I'm going to set the Wumpus speed, which is probably in where we add Wumpuses. Let's find where we add Wumpuses. So 5 is the Wumpus speed. So I'm going to make the Wumpus speed be 2. Now let's run it again. Cool. So those Wumpuses run kind of slowly, and it looks like they are all trying to swarm me. Pretty cool. So now you're probably thinking it would be nice if they didn't all clump together like that. So we can definitely try and fix it so that they're not all clumped together. But that's going to involve collision detection between entities and entities. And that will be a different topic.